In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect custom form to Zoho CRM. The goal is to create a custom web form inside Zoho, make it match the information you want to collect, and then embed it on your website so submissions can be sent into Zoho CRM. This is a practical way to capture leads, customer information, and other data without doing manual entry. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and look for the Setup area. You can usually find Setup using the gear icon. Next, go to Setup, then move to Channels and choose Web Forms. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section because Web Forms is where Zoho manages the forms that you can embed on your site. Once you are in the Web Forms area, you will want to create a brand new form. Click New Form. This is the starting point for building your custom experience. After you click New Form, Zoho will take you to a setup page where you can define what the form collects and where the submitted data should go. Now, the next step is to select a module. A module in Zoho CRM is essentially the type of record you want to create or update, such as leads or contacts, depending on how your CRM is structured. So, in the form settings, select the module you want to use. Choose the module that matches your use case, because this selection controls how Zoho will organize the incoming information. After you select the module, you can begin adding your fields. This is where your form becomes truly custom. Add the fields you want the visitor to fill out, such as name, email, phone number, company, or any other relevant details that relate to the chosen module. As you add fields, pay attention to the types and labels so they are clear for users on your website and consistent with what your CRM expects. While you are adding fields, take a moment to think about completeness and clarity. If you include fields that users will not understand, form submissions may drop. If you leave out fields that your team needs, follow-up work may increase. So, make sure the fields you add align with how you want the data stored in Zoho CRM. When you have finished adding all the fields and the form looks correct, move on to saving. Click Save to store your changes. Saving is important because it finalizes the form structure inside Zoho, and it ensures you can copy the embed code right after. Now that your form is saved, Zoho will provide an embed code or integration snippet. The next step is to copy the embed code. This code is what connects your Zoho form to your website. Make sure you copy it completely without missing any characters, because even a small omission can prevent the form from loading properly. Once you have copied the embed code, you are ready to place it on your website. Paste the embed code into the website where you want the form to appear. Depending on your website platform, this might be in an HTML embed block, a custom code section, or a page editor that supports embedding. Place it in the area that should display the form to visitors, such as a landing page, contact page, or lead capture section. After pasting, it is a good idea to preview the page and confirm the form loads as expected. If everything is correct, visitors will see the form exactly as you configured it in Zoho. When they submit, the information should be associated with the selected module in Zoho CRM, which helps keep your leads and records organized. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.